morning student. Again in today's session class 10 subject mathematics, I am again teaching you the topic surface area and volumes, in which I am starting exercise 13.2, which contains how can we find the volume of combination of solids. So we are taking question number 1. Already we have discussed the formula how can we find the volume of the different solids. So now I am starting with the question number 1, exercise 13.2. Question is, a solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere. First of all, we will draw the figure. A solid is in the shape of a cone mounted on a hemisphere. So draw this figure. First of all, this figure, this is a conical part with the radius and this is a hemispherical part. Now both are with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter. Given, see the solution. Question number 1, radii of hemisphere and conical cone, you can say the radii of hemisphere and cone both are same is equal to 1 centimeter. So we take radius is equal to 1 centimeter, r is equal to 1 centimeter, and again the height of cone is equal to 1 centimeter. Height of cone, this part h, this is the r, height of cone h, it is also equal to 1 centimeter. See student, in this question, this is a conical part, above portion, and the lower part is the hemispherical part. The radius is 1 centimeter here, and the height, only this height is also equal to 1 centimeter. We have to find out the volume of the solid in terms of phi. तो लिखिए, volume of solid formed is equal to volume of hemispherical part plus volume of conical part. Now you have to learn the formula to find the volume. What is the volume of hemispherical part? It is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. And what is the volume of a conical part? All of you know that the volume of cylinder. So volume of conical part is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So now put the value of r and h. 2 by 3 pi, r is 1 cube. Again 1 by 3 pi, r 1 square into 1. So it becomes 2 upon 3 pi plus 1 upon 3 pi. So we will take the LCM as 3. It becomes 2 pi plus 1 pi, means 3 pi upon 3, and answer is equal to pi. So here, what is the volume of solid formed is equal to pi centimeter cube. So we have to find this in terms of pi. So your answer is also equal to pi centimeter cube. Okay, do this question in your notebook. एक बार चेक कर दो, मैं दोबारा बनाऊं, ठीक है.